So let me show you how to check the battery health of your Galaxy A27. So you simply go to settings. Under settings, go to battery. Under battery, go to battery information, tap on that, and then go to battery capacity, which is basically your battery health. Okay. So typical basically means it's a typical maximum battery capacity. It's currently at 5,000 milliamperes, which these phones come with 5,000 milliamperes out of the box. So basically this is just at 100%. Now, if it was lower, then you'd make a percentage of 5,000 milliamperes and see how much your battery has degraded. So for instance, if it's 4,000 milliamperes, then you can go to 4,000 milliamperes over 5,000 milliamperes times 100 to sort of calculate the percentage of your battery health. Thanks for watching. Good luck.